Hello and welcome to your next car. I'm going to do a video on a new stock vehicle, which is a BMW 330 2017. It has a genuine OEM performance styling, very high spec car. As you can see, it's got the sunroof, which is very rare, privacy glass and performance brakes, front performance splitter, grills, sidebars. Coming to the side of it, you can see the privacy glass, sunroof. Okay. New tyres. Very tidy car. Back of it, rear OEM diffuser, rear spoiler. It's got the folding seat option as well. There we are, which is quite rare. Side of the car, again, very tidy. No marks, no scratches. And just showing you around the whole vehicle. Okay, coming into the inside of the vehicle, it's got the folding mirror option. Mirrors fold nicely there. Harman Kardon hi-fi system. We've got the heated steering wheel option, reverse camera, heated seats. As you can see, it's a very high spec vehicle. Not due for a oil service for 3,900 miles. Okay, front brakes due in 3,200, rear brakes due in 19,000. It's got the sports gearbox. Inside, very tidy, black leather. Looks really nice and clean. Okay, coming to the back of it again. No marks on the interior. Very nice car. Okay, hope you found this video helpful. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye bye.